Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to add your YouTube video to your website. So friends, firstly open the post or page where you want to add your YouTube video. You can add new post or page, and also you can add your video on your old post. So click on post and all posts. Now edit post or page where you want to add. For example, if you want to add your YouTube video in this post, so click on edit and make sure you are logged in your WordPress dashboard. Now log in your YouTube channel and click on videos. Now click on get shareable link and paste where you want to add. So click on that area. Like if you want to add your video in here, so paste here. So that's it. By this easy and very simple method you can add your YouTube video on your website. Now view your post. So hopefully you like this video. By this easy and simple method you can know how to add YouTube video to website. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.